Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're bored and you're looking for something really fun and creative, then you are at the right place because today's video we are going to create. So we are going to use this DIY jewelry making kit and we are going to create some beautiful personalized bracelets. Not only this is a great way to pass your time, to kill your time, but also you can make something really cool and personalized for you and your loved ones. So let's get started.
So first, let's take a look at what's inside this kit. So we've got this elasticated string and let's see what beads do we have. So I really like this box because I can see all types of beads very clearly from the box. And yeah, so we've got colorful beads in the tones of pinks and nudes, and I really like that they've given the letter beads also, and the letters are in metallic gold. So this kit doesn't come with hooks or clasps, so we need to tie the knot in order to make the bracelet, and I'm using my own scissors. So to start with, I will first measure the string around my wrist and I will keep some gap to tie the knot, and so that the elastic is not really short. And then I will just start choosing the theme that I want to make, and I really want to have a personalized name bracelet. So I'm just taking out the letters for my name, that's Shagun. And also, I thought that I will make one for my husband as well, not a bracelet, but I will make a keychain charm for him. For the first one, I really wanted to have these brown and the nude shades and with the golden beads also. So let's take a moment to admire them. The first one is a customized bracelet of my name, and I really love the tones, the golden accents, and the name, the metallic letters that they have. It's beautiful. I really like it, and I've done this kind of a thing after a really long time. I totally love it. And now let's see the second one. The second one has the pink tones and the nude tones, and I've used golden round beads in this, which absolutely looks amazing. And I really love stacking bracelets like that. And the third one is of course for my husband, and it's a keychain charm, so it has his name, and I really like this one also. This kit is perfect for beginners and makes it super easy to create something beautiful and meaningful. Whether it's a gift for a friend or just a treat for yourself, these bracelets are sure to stand out. Also, make sure to keep your knots tight so everything stays in place.
Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching the video and crafting with me. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon to get notified of my future tutorials. See you next time. Till then, stay creative and keep shining. Bye bye.